The Diocese of Ijebu Southwest Church of Nigeria Anglican Communion gives glory to God for His sustenance in the past 15 years as the diocese celebrates her 15th year inaugural anniversary this year, 2025. We congratulate the diocesan and the president of women organizations, the Right Reverend Dr. Babatunde and Mrs. Olatunde Ogunbanwo, on this glorious occasion. Programs for the Diocesan inaugural anniversary this year are as follows. On Friday 10th January 2025, there will be Diocesan consecration anniversary. On Saturday 11th January 2025, there will be Varieties Day and medical outreach at Holy Trinity Anglican Church, Ijebu at 10 a.m. On Sunday 12th January 2025, there will be anniversary Thanksgiving in all churches during their Sunday services. On Monday 13th January 2025, which was the inaugural day of the diocese, there will be a mass confirmation at St. John's Anglican Church, Ijebu, at 3 p.m. Saturday 18th January 2025 is the grand finale when we have the Thanksgiving launching and award presentation at the Cathedral Church of St. Paul, Udubulu, Ijebu at 11 a.m. This is the Lord's doing, and it is marvelous in our eyes. Announcer, the Diocesan Media Unit, on behalf of the 15th Year Inauguration Planning Committee, Chairman by Mr. Yemi Odunaya, JP. Jesus is Lord.